Yo, what is up everybody? Today we're going to be installing a polyurethane lip to the front of the Integra. This is again one of those modifications I wanted to do a very long time ago, but never really got around to it because I couldn't find a genuine DC2 Type R lip, and yeah, I kind of just got sick of waiting for one because it's been nearly 2 years, and I thought I'd just get a rep one and get it over and done with. The lip does look good, and when it's painted it'll look even better. It is a really hot day, it's like 30 degrees or something, and I'm struggling, but we're gonna soldier through despite the hay fever and the heat, and we're gonna get this lip onto the car. Step number one, we need to jack the car up so that we have better access to the points where we plan to screw the lip in. Step two, we're going to get the lip onto the bumper and see whether it fits correctly. It actually fits pretty well, given that it's a red polyurethane lip. What we'll do is we'll borrow Mum's old hairdryer, run some heat through it to better mold it to the bumper, and then we can get started on looking for points at which we can screw the actual lip onto the bumper. We are all lined up. It's not going to be perfect, unfortunately, but it is a replica lip and it's polyurethane, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to start screwing. I'll start with either side of the lip, and then I'll go in from underneath and maybe a little bit on the top somewhere. Two more screws under here, which is like the middle of the lip and bumper, and then I'll attach another one or two just along the other sides. Yo, we're all done. So I've used two self-tapping screws on the side, and then I got a total of 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath the lip just to keep the middle from sagging, and we're done. That is the front lip installed. I think that is fantastic fitment for, you know, a rep lip that isn't OEM, and it's polyurethane, so it's prone to sagging and bending and twisting and whatnot. So for what it is and for what I paid, I think that looks fantastic. You're probably wondering why I took the wheels off. It's so I can finally paint these calipers, because they've been on there for almost a year now and I haven't really bothered painting them. So I'm going to do a really quick, low effort caliper paint job. So there you have it. The lip's been installed, the calipers have been painted, and yeah, all I can say is that's such a bang for buck kind of mod. Makes it look so much lower, sleeker, more aggressive, and the calipers, they stick out on these wheels compared to my previous ones because the style of these means the spokes are a lot thinner. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll come back next time with a documentation of me painting the lip to the color code of the car. But other than that, that's all. So thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Subscribe, stay tuned for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later.